All right, guys, so you're looking at my yard. Where do I start? So what I'm doing is I bought some of these sod pods. I'm not sponsored. They didn't send them to me. None of this stuff was sponsored. I'm just a guy in his yard. But I picked up some of these sod pods. This is St. Augustine Palmetto cultivar. And if you look, so you can see I got bare ground here. This area, so this is Zoysia. This is Zoysia. If you look over there, this is Zoysia. And we're early spring. Well, we're mid-spring, late spring, I guess. Actually, we're late spring. But it's still in this part of the country. It's still warming up. But I've got a lot of shade. You can see that area of my yard never gets any sun. And then this is dappled, whatever you want to call it. So this is put some sand down to kind of level that out. Had a UPS driver back up into the yard here. Actually, it wasn't UPS. My UPS guy's great, but so I fixed that. That's a little sand. But what I'm doing over here is I've been measuring. So this area gets, I think, enough sun for this St. Augustine Palmetto is real good for shady areas. And so what I'm doing is I bought $40 worth to give it a shot. And I've already put the plugs, I've already put 6 plugs in that you can see here. And so let's talk about, I've got this ProPlugger. And this thing is awesome. Like, I love this. If you walk over here, well, you can't walk, I'll walk. Down here in another shady spot, I'm planting Vinca minor down in here because this is all the sun that it gets. And this stuff isn't native, but there's a patch of it that grows real nearby me. So I go steal that and I bring it over here. And this stuff's growing like a champ. I understand we can fight about whether or not I should be planting that here. But it's there. And then over here in another really shady spot, this is Creeping Jenny. And I've plugged most of this. I plugged that over there. These I've just got cuttings and stuck them in the ground with an auger bit. But I've been plugging. I plug stuff all the time because it works like a champ. Let's go back over here. I mean, there's Vinca. I mean, this Vinca was plugged this year, like a month ago. And I rarely lose any. I mean, you just go in and I plug it. I make sure that's a plug for sure. You know, just go in there, get the roots, and it's plugged. I'll show you one last thing that I've got plugged, and then we'll talk about what I'm really doing over here. I'm not trying to do this whole watch me drink coffee. I'm just talking about the plugger. I've got a bank that gets a lot of shade. It's right there. And what I'm doing is I'm planning on growing some ferns. These are all native ferns. And every single one of these ferns I plugged. You slide the plugger, so some of them are kind of bent. But I mean, I got this one whole. Slide the plugger over, center that up on the plugger, stomp down. I mean, this is 100% success rate out of, what is that, 2, 4, 6, 8? That's 10, Alabama math. There's 10 sod ferns in there. And I had 100% success rate plugging that, throwing them in here, and hitting it with some water. And I leave this here, I let my irrigation system, these have been plugged, I don't know, 3 weeks, maybe a month, but 100% success rate. And they haven't really grown here. I mean, that's how big they were when I plugged them. So anyway, I love the plugger. Sometimes I'll plug a dandelion. I'll come in, I'll plug that out, and then I'll go grab some zoysia from the other side of the yard, pop that in, and then solarize the dirt. But I'm battling. So this is the shady spot. White clover is taking over, and then you can see the line. I mean, clover, it almost exactly follows the shade right now. And then you get into the sun and it's zoysia. But what I'm trying to do as an experiment is the zoysia has never really owned this part of the yard. It always just stays kind of like this. It gets watered. I don't know if it's the shade, but I've been monitoring it and I get plenty. It's like 6 hours of sun, so I don't know why the zoysia's not doing anything. But anyway, long story short, let's go back to here. I bought the plugs. I'm using the plugger. So let's talk about this. So there's the plugger. That's like a 2-inch hole, I think. Well, the plugs from tri-sod pods. Let's do that. Here's the plugs out of the plugger. You pop it in the ground, that comes out, right? So you can see the dilemma here. This does not, I can't take this plug, shove it down in that hole. So what I've been doing, right or wrong, we'll find out, is, and I should have done one ahead of time. I can't do this holding the camera. I'm using this as a cutting board, nice little cedar cutting board. I'm taking the plugger and I'm carving out and popping it right there. Let me do that real quick. All right, so I just took a bite out of it. It's like a shark was here. Plugger, I got a nice plug. Now what I'm left with is this piece. So what I've been doing is taking a little dirt, and it's a little anal, but I sift my dirt out because I'm tired of all these rocks. So I sift with a big grid, and then this is too small. I need larger, but it really produces some really fine, nice dirt. So what I've been doing is taking a little bit of this, spreading that down in the hole, give it something nice and soft to grow into. We'll spread that on that one. And then, oh man, this is triple 13 fertilizer. Spread that out. And I've been taking the one that has the chunk cut out of it, coloring that up kind of like a taco, and shoving that bad boy right down in there. Stomp her in, and boom, the plug's in. Now what I'll do is I'll take my plugger and I'll pop this one in. So let's, I don't know if I can do it one-handed, let's see. So there's 2 plugs there, so they're a foot wide. Let's come a foot south. Yeah, this is gonna be, I don't think I can do this. This is a terrible video. Can you see me? Stomp on the plugger, give it a twist. A little bit of dirt. A little bit of fert. Pop that plug in. And then what I do is I just come back and I hit that plug with a little bit of dirt again. Get some of your cocoa powder here and dirt it up. And now we'll water it in. And what I found is that really gets down, it seems to get around the plug. And that's how I pretty much plug everything. So now I've doubled up. I've got a whole nother pallet, a small little pod of that I can experiment with. So that's how I plug things. Whether it's right or wrong, it seems to work for me. I guess I'll pop the rest of these in. All right then.